Genetic testing results are now acceptable medical evidence in your Social Security disability case. Hi, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney. And last year, 2016, Social Security released a ruling called SSR-4p, and I'm going to provide the link to that in the notes here, which basically says that judges may consider genetic test results as evidence in a disability determination. And this is important because there are certain medical conditions that genetic test results will indicate that you are more likely to have this particular disease. Most people have heard about the BRCA gene for breast cancer, ovarian cancer. There's also genetic markers for celiac disease, age-related macular degeneration, bipolar disorder, sickle cell anemia, early onset Alzheimer's, and a number of other ones. And even though the genetic test alone is not going to win your case, you still have evidence that you are demonstrating the symptoms, you're manifesting the symptoms, you're having the problem. What this ruling says to me is that even if the evidence is a little less compelling in terms of what you're being able to afford to go to the doctor, if you've got a genetic test that says you are susceptible to early onset Alzheimer's, let's say, and then you've got evidence you're having memory problems, a judge may be prepared to make that leap. Same with breast cancer, where the judge might conclude that if you've had one bout of breast cancer and you've got the genetic mutation, then you're more likely to have another type of cancer come and develop. And again, that might be something where a judge would give you the benefit of the doubt. Again, having the genetic marker does not mean you win automatically. It just means that is a piece of the puzzle, that is evidence that the judge would consider. And if you're having symptoms or your condition is one that's likely to recur, it could make the difference between winning and losing. So this is actually kind of important. Genetic testing is becoming very, very affordable. I'm sure most of you have heard of things like 23andMe and Ancestry, Family Tree DNA, which are kind of fun, by the way, those type of tests just to find out your own ancestry. But they will also tell you in some situations, on 23andMe does it, it will give you some medical tendencies. And again, doesn't mean you're going to develop the condition, but it's something where it may clue you to go to the doctor and get tested for something, or it may make a certain diagnosis or certain conditions make more sense. So genetic testing is now part of the puzzle for Social Security disability, and I think it's a valuable thing. I think it can be helpful to everyone who is applying for disability if you have a condition that may have a genetic component. And I would also point out that I suspect that over the course of the next few years, we're going to see even more conditions that have a genetic component. So this ruling could have really far-reaching and favorable implications for those applying for Social Security disability. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. I think you'll find some helpful information there. It's a good way to interact with me and other people who are in the Social Security disability world, and it's a good way to get questions answered. So I would encourage you to use that channel to communicate with me and others about your disability claim. Can't give you legal advice, but I can certainly hopefully steer you in the right direction. Go to my website, ssdanswers.com. You can download a free kit I put out there called the Secrets to Winning Disability Survival Kit. I think you'll find that very helpful. And again, if you have any questions for me, please reach out to me. I will try to answer. I try to respond to all the comments, and I will try to answer any questions I can. So this is Jonathan Ginsberg, wishing you all the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.